Welcome to our mini house. Come on in. You walk right in, and you walk right into our spacious living room / kitchen. This table is extended, and you're able to extend these to make a little more seating. It's pretty easy, and this is additional storage underneath, so it's real handy and easy.
Power recline on these babies here. We also do have a USB port in here to charge your various devices. In the event that you want the hide-a-bed that would replace the existing couch here, we have that as well. We bought that when we bought this, was thinking we might have one more of our sons join us, but he hasn't been able to just yet. So
this is additional storage right here. There's little cubbies of storage all over the place, so tons of that.
Obviously surround sound speakers are everywhere. Just give you a brief look at the controls for the slides in and out. Obviously the Weingart system, generator, stop and start, and your voltage meter. This is just a little storage cabbie here. Same thing here. Just keep all the stuff in, and then your fuse panel on this particular side. Oh yeah, and the big old TV right here, which you can link into all of these TVs, can be synced together, so play the same thing. Backup camera, full nav system, side view cameras, everything comes up on this particular display. Obviously, it's got everything that Entegra does. The Cornerstone model, bunk model, is exactly what we wanted. We needed that for our littler kids to be able to go with us. And seats, obviously, I think it's a 12-way power seat. Does have heat, does have cooling capabilities for both of these seats, and it's very nice to have that cool seat when you're driving down the road.
There's a power panel right here for your shades and lights when you walk in, and this is a TV that pops up. A nice sound bar up there.
Surround sound with the Bose speakers in the back and all the various things. 3 AC units is pretty well standard. It is a 50 amp system, and it does have the 600 plus horsepower motor, Cummins motor, that's absolutely LED lights throughout.
And we removed the super ugly, swirly,
My wife
unbelievably ugly things on here. So this is plain and simple. Tons of kitchen storage here. There's an entire pantry right here. Full-size fridge and freezer with a water and ice dispenser. And over here, another small pantry. It holds lots of stuff. We also added a little fireplace here that kind of makes it nice and cozy. Over here, we have an additional wine and beverage cooler. There's a dishwasher that holds an amazing amount of stuff, unbelievably. Convection microwave / oven.
And then of course, your cooktops, induction cooktops.
So this is the bunk model. So we've got our bunk beds here with the ladder. It's kind of handy. It can go up and down. There's TVs in both of the bunks. And it is a bath and a half. So here's the full bath on this end, in between the bedrooms, which makes it kind of nice. And right here is our control panel that basically controls all the lights.
Yes, everything in the coach, shades, tanks, fresh water, water pressure, diesel heat, electric heat, inverters. I mean, just there's hundreds of things that you can control from here, and then also you have an app on your phone that mirrors this system. And it's just, we continue to find more things that you can do with it as we've owned it. Obviously, central vac is throughout the coach, including underneath in the compartments, so that you can keep it clean without actually having to pack a vacuum with. It's a very nice feature to have.
Back here is the king bed, and we've got a safe right here behind the TV, which is pretty nice. This bed has additional storage. We keep the cushions for the kitchen in there for the pull-outs, and then some of the vacuuming type stuff. Makes it very easy. Tons of storage.
And this TV back here has also got its own sound bar. All the remote controls that are in here come with and are still all intact. The ceiling fan, which you really didn't think it would be nice, is actually wonderful.
And again, we took down the ugly swirlies on the ceiling. They're gone.
No swirlies. Underneath your top piece there, you probably won't be able to see it, but that is the control switch for the fan, and then it also has control switches for all the lights that you might have left on before you got in bed. You can turn them off from right here.
And the door locks from back here in case you forget to lock the doors.
It's very nice.
And then back here we have the half bath, the washer and dryer, and the closet area.
If you just stick your hand in there, the light will come on. So, Cornerstone Entegra 45R model. It is 45 feet long, or actually just short of it. That's pretty much all that they do in the Cornerstone models. It's got all your standard features for as far as screen doors, sliders, dual locks with keyless entry, not only your remote control entry, but a key fob or a key panel entry, okay? The big 22.5-inch tires and wheels set up, good tires, good wheels. The vehicle's been completely serviced in the last week. Engine oil, belts, and anything needed to be done with the generator's been done. So taking a look underneath the Dometic, it can be a refrigerator on one side, a freezer on another, or it can be just both all freezer. It's just your choice, however you want to do that. And this baby slides out, so for easy access, and just pops back in, locks in place. The Cornerstone has an option for 2 power slides. We do have our stuff in here still, but right here on the doors you can see is the panel just running in and out. They work great. They are awesome. Makes things a lot easier, and you can power out this side as well as the other side, so you can get access from both sides. This is the same thing, just a little different look, but again, everything just does as it's supposed to. As you know, when you're camping, you got to take everything you need. This is a control box with inverter switches and fuse box. There's power outlets down here. This is also where you catch the central vacuuming. And then of course, we just store drinks that don't need to be cold right now in the coolers right there. And then back here is the fresh water tank with the visitation window, so that you can see visually if you had a tank problem where you are with your water levels. Okay. Oh yeah, sorry. The entertainment system here on the side that we do use a lot. Of course the remotes are out here, but this does come out, telescope swing, do all the things, and then your Bose stereo system here as well, which is really kind of neat. Good sound, they did a really good job with sound. And then your engine compartment, this is a power slide covering the motor. Like I said earlier, it's 605 horse K3 with the Spartan chassis, and Spartan did do the service just last week here. The Girard awnings on this vehicle and the slide covers are really very neat. Just grab your loop there, pull these out, and it provides shade on all windows. They just latch right into here, just as a deal here. Here's kind of your multi-purpose black tank water storage, whole house filter, water filter there, of course your water supply, and then this is the incinerator if you so choose to use it, of course hose and attachments, all that stuff. This is the Aqua Hot and where the power reel is. Aqua Hot does provide a lot of hot water capacity, as well as it will heat the floor and it will heat the under part of this coach, keeping it from freezing. It is what they truly call a 4-season coach. And then this side here is just the other side of the power slide systems. This one does house your vac as well, little power back there. Again, more storage. I don't know what the hell that is. And then we do have a what they call a honey pot. That's what that is. So if we were ever in a place where we didn't want to slide out to go dump, we can just use that and go to the dump site. It saves time. It does have dual fuel options, so you can fill from both sides, and it is a single tank, so it just goes into the one. You can do it at the same time, or you can just do one side. It makes it very convenient.